do it with Zendaya? Oh, hey. Perfect. But you will have to deal with Tom Holland after. Ooh. So easy to choose. Have a private 8D movie room. But the first person who appears when you click yellow square and more has to fight Mike Tyson, brew, huh? Rip. Be very popular, oh yeah, money and ladies, hurrah. But be famous for doing something awful, ha 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 ha. Ooh. Be lucky for 1 year, oh that's nice. But tell us your current battery percentage. Find the love of your life. Yeah. But she or he is 10 years younger than you. Oh crap, is 8 enough, huh?